and was the entire ministry in media. Fun bit, but I was at the age that I did not even know what a chief minister means. Yeah, मैं तो जाके शो कर रही हूँ, मुझे जाके बस परफॉर्म करना है. So I love doing that. You don't think लोग क्या सोचेंगे, तुम गिर गए तो क्या होगा, तुम भूल गए तो क्या, मुझे क्या करना है, मेरे को जाके परफॉर्म करना है. Even though it was a proper 3 hour show with dialogues and assist, nothing mattered to me. Now I think. Now also I think now it's experience, but the phase in between when you're teenage, you know when you're 14, 13, तब वो सोच आनी शुरू हो जाती है कि ओ मुझे बराबर करना है, अच्छा ऑडियंस में ये है. I hope I don't mess it up. I hope I don't make mistakes. But again, what happened was by the time these fears would start coming in, it was already 10 years of performing. You know, so now experience was also there. I'm so much more confident with 10 years of performing. By the time I understood what a chief minister means, by the time I understood what a producer or a director means, there were already too many in my show. So everything nullified very early in my life. Stage was my best friend, most comfortable on stage. In fact, it's my remedy, it's my meditation, it's my solution to all my problems. To a point where जब मैं बहुत बीमार होती हूँ या मैं agitated हूँ या कुछ भी हो रहा है, my mother would be like, तेरा show कब है next? You know, because they know that once she goes on stage वो ठीक हो जाएगी. Because उधर तो option ही नहीं होता ना, आपको ठीक होना ही पड़ता है. And it just becomes like something you look forward to.
Be unique. Isn't that a given? That you and
Self-doubt, no? So a lot of people
yeah,
suffer
but
from...
that's what I'm saying. That self-doubt is for me the most weird thing, I should say. Because what you do, only you can do. But Ashton, the kind of questions you ask and the kind of podcast you run and the way you get your guests and the way you make them feel comfortable, I'm not saying others are not good, but that's the way they do it.
Correct.
How are you struggling to find your space? Because you already have your space. You just have to be out there. And I think that's what happened with me. I never ever struggled to find my space. I never be like, अरे ये देखो ये सब ये लोग कर रहे हैं, मुझे भी ये करना है, मुझे भी वो. No. I genuinely kept doing what I like to do. I genuinely kept doing what I want to do because that was the easiest bit to do. I don't want to make strategies. I don't want to do difficult things.
Doesn't excite me. Correct.
हाँ, मेरे को उठ के ये करने का मन है, मैं करूँगी. Somebody says कि I was always thinking मैं dance reels नहीं बनाती. But then one song came in. I really liked that song. मैं तो कर लिया डांस. एंड ऐसा नहीं कि मैं जनरली डांस करी थी. माई पीपल रिकॉर्डेड एंड दे पुट इट अप लाइक पुट इट अप. It doesn't matter to me. So the idea is you do what you like to do and you'll automatically make your space, because the one thing I know is I'm very unique. There are many other magicians. They too are very unique, but I am very unique.
Correct.
I know what I like to do. I know what I want to deliver. I know where I want to take my magic. I know where my audience is. I know what I believe in. I know what I don't believe in. I just have to put it out there. And if people like me, they will follow me. If they don't like me, they will unfollow me in 4 days. But I feel दुनिया बहुत बड़ी है. सबकी ऑडियंस है. मैं जैसी भी हूँ ना, अगर मेरे ऐसे कुछ ना कुछ लोग होंगे ही जो मुझे पसंद करेंगे.
Correct.
तो मैं उनको ही केटर करना चाह रही हूँ. द आइडिया इज जस्ट टू बी आउट देयर. आई थिंक विजिबिलिटी का गेम है. कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं, वो सोचने में बहुत टाइम गवा देते हैं कि यार
They don't put in action. They just keep thinking and thinking.
दैट्स व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू ना. मैं 1000 रील बना दूंगी, फिर देखूंगी क्या चल रहा है क्या नहीं चल रहा है, कैसे लोग पसंद कर रहे हैं कैसे लोग पसंद नहीं कर रहे. बट सोच के ये एक रील बनाना कि ये पसंद आएगी कि नहीं आएगी, उसमें अगर मेरे को गंवाना पसंद नहीं है. सो आई जस्ट कीप मेकिंग कंटेंट. आई कीप डूइंग व्हाट आई लाइक टू डू. फिर जैसे मैं there was this few months when I kept making content, reels and videos and vlogs and everything. Suddenly live shows अभी शुरू हुए. Now I'm doing so many shows. मैं shows पे shows किए जा रही हूँ. Like I'm performing almost every other day.
Fantastic.
Like tomorrow I'm performing, day after tomorrow I'm performing, weekend I'm performing. Like I'm just performing. तो content कम बन रहा है, but मैं perform भी कर रही हूँ. तो मेरा idea is to stay associated with people in some way or the other. Be it online, be it offline. The moment shows will get over, I'll again start producing online content. Of course, I'm also learning to balance it. I am not there yet, but I'm learning of how do I balance it. Should I make some more time in the day during my live shows that I can put up content online? But I don't want to push myself in doing it. I don't want to force myself to do it, because when you force yourself to do that, you lose the authenticity. You know, फिर आप वो काम की तरह कर रहे हो, और वो जब ऑथेंटिसिटी सामने लोगों के पास नहीं आएगी, फिर पीपल विल ऑल्सो बी लाइक, अरे यार दीदी अब आप बदल गए हो.
Magic has never felt like work to you.
Magic is never. Oh no, never. Magic is just.
Magic is magic.
It's magic. Yeah. I struggle with consistency. That is a That is a problem with me, and I am been struggling to work hard on being consistent with something, like be it with my health, or be it with my habits, something I want to learn. Um, so I'm struggling there, and
What happens there? Where's the struggle with it?
my struggle is with curiosity driven, and the curiosity gets fed, and then you leave it.
Ah,
Like for example, I know how to play the keyboard, but now I know how to play it.
so now there's no point learning,
Now,
continuing it.
exactly. Okay, so now I know how to play the flute. So if you give me the notes, I'll play. But then I'm not practicing it every day. I should be getting better at it. I should practice it. Like the motivation. And I remember the like first 5 months. How did I pick up the flute? And I would practice it every day because मुझे वो note नहीं मिल रहा. मुझे ये नहीं हो रहा. अच्छा ये tune बराबर नहीं आ रही है. Now वो आ गया. But then you lose out on the practice of it. And life is not about just knowing things. It's about executing them and enjoying them. Like recently I'm learning drums, and there is a thought in my mind that bothers me. You're not going to continue this because your past says so.
Correct.
But then I still feel like, does that mean I shouldn't even start a new thing? And I'm like, ठीक है. Because that would stop the thought that I will not continue doing it would stop me now from starting something new. And it was very dreadful, and I went through that phase. I've not overcome it, but I'm at least at a point कि let me at least start. अगर नहीं कंटिन्यू किया चलेगा, बस शुरू तो करो. उसके डर से शुरू नहीं करना गलत हो जाएगा.
And how much time do you give for each of these new things that you pick up? Because I'm very similar to you in this. I'll tell you some of mine as well. So how long do you give to each of these things?
It would be varying from 15 to 30 minutes a day, not more than that.
And how many days? Like a month, 2 months, weeks, years?
It will be few days in the week that I am in Bombay. Because, like for example, drums, I have to be at my studio to
Yeah,
play them, so
for
I
sure.
have to be at the studio. Why did I pick up a flute? Because I could carry it anywhere. So things like that. Depends on what time I get. But whenever I go to the studio, then I make sure that I'm there, at least spending 15 to 30 minutes on playing drums. It could be other things also, not just music. It could be like health. It could be
So what's the hang up with the health and fitness? Why has that not stuck to what your goals were? Goals नहीं थे firstly.
हाँ, मैं वही
There you
बोलने वाली थी. मेरा कोई गोल ही नहीं है कि मेरे को ये मतलब again, you know
See,
what?
the thing is that the intention's not there. Like, why should I be doing
Yeah.
this? There's so much else happening in life. I can be giving.
Exactly.
Hmm.
No, I think what happens is magic has so much priority.
Yeah.
Everything else is secondary. Everything else is secondary. Suppose I work out. I had a personal trainer. I worked out for like every day 2 months. Okay, because that was pandemic.
Correct.
And then now show started. I can't be at home. Pandemic.
Correct.
And then now show started. I can't be at home. ठीक है. एंड नाउ लेट्स से दिल से कि ठीक है जूम पे कर लेते हैं. हाँ बट मैं 4 बजे सोई हूँ, मैं शो करके ट्रैवल करके बैठी हूँ, मैं 7 बजे उठ.
No
अब
chance.
3 दिन छूट गए. अच्छा ठीक है यार, देखते हैं, विल सी. सो द कंसिस्टेंसी इज अ प्रॉब्लम, द मोटिवेशन इज ऑल्सो. Now again, it's a very fearful statement for me to say, but I'm sure many people go through this. Till it is not a necessity, जब तक काम चल रहा है ना तब तक आप चला लेते हो. Like I think it's the same with me. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं कोलैप्स हो रही हूँ, ऐसा नहीं कि मुझे कोई बीमारी है, नॉट दैट मैं वेट कर रही हूँ कि कोई बीमारी आए मुझे, बट यू नो जनरली अब जैसे ऐसा कुछ हो जाएगा, समझो कि ऐसा लगेगा नो सुहानी देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम एंड यू हैव टू रन और यू हैव टू वॉक 10,000 स्टेप्स एवरी डे. हाँ तो वो मैं कर लूँगी, फिर वो मोटिवेशन आ जाएगा, बिकॉज नाउ इट हैज़ बिकम अ नेसेसिटी.
Correct.
जब तक वो नेसेसिटी नहीं है तब तक आई एम लाइक ठीक है, वेट मेरा मेंटेन रहता है, जीन्स मम्मी पापा के अच्छे मिल गए मेरे को तो वो भी ठीक है. हेल्थ इश्यूज इतने अभी तक जो भी है. अच्छा मैं स्वीट मुझे पसंद नहीं खाना, तो मेरा ईटिंग बहुत अच्छा है इन जनरल, उस पर भी मैंने मेहनत नहीं करी. आई डोंट लाइक द टेस्ट ऑफ स्वीट. लाइक यू गिव मी
That itself is magic. You realize that? It's like lucky you.
आइटम बनाया भगवान ने मेरे को, तो थैंक यू. मतलब मेरे को ना चॉकलेट, पेस्ट्री, दूध में भी शक्कर, मिठाई, anything that is sweet, I don't like the taste. I like sour, I like spicy, I like tangy. I don't like the taste of sweet.
Man, you have no idea how lucky you are. This is the Devi part.
Now this is actual lucky because I haven't worked hard for it. I just genuinely never liked sweet. So the food intake is in general nice. The only meal I like to have in the day is breakfast. So my breakfast, lunch, dinner is also maintained. I hate oily things. Not that I do it for everybody's like, oh ये अपना diet में. अरे मैं बिल्कुल भर भर के पानी पूरी खाती हूँ, ठीक है. लेकिन मुझे ऑयली फूड इन जनरल. सो व्हाट हैज हैपेंड विद हेल्थ अगेन इज दैट जो नेचुरल पैटर्न्स है वो इन जनरल अच्छे हैं. नॉट दैट आई वर्कड वेरी हार्ड फॉर देम, बट नेचुरली वो पैटर्न्स ढंग